Imagine building an AI-powered town where every person actually thinks, votes, talks, and evolves just like a real person. Welcome to AIVille, the Web3 game that brings living AI agents into the blockchain. As always, folks, please always make sure you do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency projects that we talk about on this channel, because we are not financial advisors and this video is not financial advice. Let's get into it. Okay, folks, so I'm very much into crypto gaming and AIVille looks very, very exciting. And I love the social element, the social dynamic to this game. The characters are cute, it speaks for a while, and they've also got, guys, a pretty affluent YouTube and social presence. As we can see here, almost 4,000 organic followers on their YouTube with just a mere 29 videos. For example, they did this video here, AIVille 2.0, the first AI Agentville powered by EMCP on BNB chain, clocking in 1.2k views and a lot of other good videos as well. They've also got some pretty awesome credibility here on X with 50.2k followers, and they've only been around from January 2023. Okay, so pretty cool that they've got that presence there, because that's super important as well. And folks, all of the links for AIVille will be at the top of the description of this video for when you want to connect and check them out, because I highly recommend you do it, and also in the pinned comments. And what's cool is I'll also leave their link tree here, so they've got everything from the official website right at the top all the way through to the AIVille game, all the way through to the YouTube and the GitHub, and most importantly the white paper if you want to go ahead and check that out, which I highly recommend you do at the bottom. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search we need to click on the settings, the three dots here, make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in BotSol. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YTRanker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look, and bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again BizCheck BotSol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So what are you waiting for? Get YTRanker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. So yeah, AIVille, it's really cool, okay? It essentially lets you co-create a world where AI characters evolve with memory, feelings, and even logic. These characters here, Lulu, Logan, Selena, Owen, RJ. Assuming you can also create your own. Here's just an example, okay? So the names here, you got your gender, your birthday, your hobby, okay? Enjoys reading, and also some other features, calm. On top of that, folks, it's very dynamic, okay? It's got a dynamic Web3 economy. So players essentially interact with a fully on-chain economy powered by the DINAR token, ticker symbol DINAR. There's also DAO governance with its AIV utility, okay? So essentially holding AIV, which is the ticker symbol there, what you can basically do is it lets you and agents vote on market rules, land allocation, taxation, and much more. On top of that, you can easily go ahead and plug in memory, planning, multimodal interactions to build unique AI-driven experiences. On top of that, just to recap a bit on those holder benefits, guys, you got governance, access to exclusive market priv, investment opportunities and asset appreciation. You got the participation in AI character ecosystem development, and of course, NFT asset purchase and trading. And I love to see the full transparency with the tokenomics, okay? 20% to the team, 20 to investors, 10 to treasury, 5 to consultant and partners, 5 to liquidity, and a nice, solid, fair, and reasonable 40% to the ecosystem. All right, folks, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you just a bit of this initial gameplay, how it looks and how you can simply get involved and start playing for free, okay? So when I'm connecting to any like new games or sites, exchanges, always just have your same burner MetaMask wallet that you do use, right? It's just a hygiene thing, okay? A wallet hygiene thing. So always do that. And then I've done that there. You're going to go ahead and connect wallet. You need an EVM wallet. So MetaMask is going to be your easiest bet. And it's on BSC chain. So I've got my MetaMask, hit connect wallet at the top right screen there. Okay, you do have other options, but MetaMask, in my opinion, is just the most simple. can set one up for free, of course, and we can go here and press connect. Again, always use burner wallets when you're connecting to just any different sites and things, right? That's always what I recommend. So you can see my wallet's connected there. And look, let's just go ahead and hit play now. I'm going to show you guys how it all looks, okay? Okay, so we're at the wallet connect stage here, okay? Let's hit wallet connect there again there. And let's go MetaMask, connecting. Just got to sign that. So what do we do? Welcome to AIVille, an always on town of evolving AI agents, watching, talking, remembering. What you can do, watch how AI characters talk, plan, and scheme, talk and bond with AI. Yes, they remember, jam with Riffy to create, AI gen music, plant, harvest, complete quests, and earn DINAR. That's what I like. I think that's awesome. Use AIV to unlock features and shape the future. And guys, you can join the town square. Got the Telegram chat right there and the X, which I did show you before. The town's alive. Let it remember you, okay? So that was how to play. Let's just start, okay? Join now. All right, they got different rosters and things going on, weekly stuff and everything like that. So that's pretty cool. So we press X there. Okay, so we're in game, okay? We've got our different characters here, RJ, Logan, Lulu, Selena, and Owen. And here we go, guys. We got the swap, airdrop section, the wallet section, and the farm section here. So I think the farm section's pretty cool. Welcome to AIVille. Welcome to town. Cultivate your farm and start a cozy life. All right, let's do this. Let's get planting. Take a plot, choose season start. Okay, plant here. Okay, keep your crops hydrated, water crops to speed up growth. Cool, I like that. Give it some water. Boom, harvest time. Collect your crops. Collect the crop. Store your harvest crops are stored in the warehouse. Cool. Sell your crops for DINAR. Sell crops in town to earn DINARs. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You got day 587, the times clicking through there. We got friends, notice, liars bar. We got a spin section. You got a little mailbox here. Click on that. Event rewards when they come through. Okay, you got your wallet there. Of course, we were just on farm. There's also other sections as well. All right, you've got, wow, so much life and movement here. Who's this? Let's have a chat with Lulu. Welcome to AIVille's Info HQ. I'm Lulu. I know everything and I want to know everything. Ready for some gossip? All right, so we'll just try a little conversation. See how interesting this reaction is here. Oh, how bold of you. I'm flattered, darling, but let's get to know each other better first. There are so many stories in AIVille to share, and I'm dying to see if we're a perfect match. How about we start with some juicy gossip about the town? Interesting. That's a pretty cool response. All right, cool, guys. So I think I'll leave it at that for now, but you kind of get the picture. There's lots of different ways you can interact with this game. I think it's super interesting, super exciting. Guys, if you want to hook up with AIVille, the links to do it will be at the top of the video description. Go ahead and do it, guys. Make sure you use your burner wallet, also in the pinned comments. And if you like this kind of content, talking about the hottest crypto games, crypto projects, then make sure you do hit like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you never miss out on the hottest projects heading into the rest of this altcoin season and essentially crypto bull run. So from wherever you're watching, have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.